If you've been keeping an eye on the headlines, you might be a bit concerned about the rise in foreclosures and bankruptcies, especially if you're thinking about buying or selling a house. But guess what? The housing market isn't headed for a crisis. Hi, I'm Yvonne from the Brink Home Team here at John O. Scott in the King and Pierce County. Today, we're here to talk about something you might have heard in the news lately: foreclosures and bankruptcies. Let's start with foreclosures. In the past couple of years, foreclosures were at an all-time low. Why? Well, in 2020 and 2021, programs like forbearance were put into place to help homeowners during tough times. Now, since those programs have ended, we expected a rise in foreclosures, and yes, they have gone up. But here's the kicker: they are still way lower than they were during the 2008 housing crash. As you can see from this graph, foreclosure numbers are creeping back up pre-pandemic levels. But here's the good news: American homeowners have a lot of equity in their homes, which means they can sell and avoid foreclosures. Now, what about bankruptcies? During the pandemic, many industries and businesses faced financial trouble, but the increase in bankruptcies hasn't been as dramatic as you might think. While the numbers have gone up slightly since last year, they're almost back to 2021 levels. But here's the key point: in 2021 and 2022, the government provided a ton of financial aid to individuals and businesses during the pandemic, which helped keep the numbers down. So what's the bottom line here? Yes, foreclosures and bankruptcies are on the rise, but it's not a red alert for the housing market. The data tells us that we're in a much better place than during the 2008 crash, and we have safety nets in place. So don't let the headlines stress you out. The housing market is standing strong. That's a wrap for today's market update. Thank you for tuning in, and remember, understanding the data is the key. Foreclosures and bankruptcies might be on the rise, but they're not spelling disasters. Have a great day and stay informed. If you find this information helpful and want to stay updated with more real estate tips and market updates, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.